straight up badass. Just badass. Look at that monster. 600 cubic inch.
Dylan, look at it.
Ford big block. Hemi. Unibody. The thing is sweet. Good God. That's a serious truck. Damn. Just damn. Good Lord. It is just sweet. My neighbor's ranchero. The T, of course. My neighbor's got a pretty cool little ranchero though. This rancho is pretty cool. Everybody seems to like it. Little 170 straight six. All the panels have been shaved. All the trim has been removed. It's an alright car. Freaking T-Bird parked next to us. It's ridiculous. This is my pick.
Well, people are still coming in.
Yeah, that's a good sign, huh? This is my pick. 41 Ford FE 428.
But the weekend's looking warm, isn't it?
It's supposed to be.
Yeah, we're supposed to be. That's best we can do.
Nice choice of wheels.
Yeah, you can.
Perfect interior. Perfectly finished bed. One of the nicest 44 trucks I've seen in a long time. Just sweet. It's even got AC, man. AC. Sky headers. They're on there. Just damn nice. Number 33. That's my vote.
Sure, Rosie.
We won.
She ran away.
And he won Best of Shows. But we took top prize all the show. Best of all. Right there. We did it.
Hey, you! Beautiful. I got a question for you. Who here remembers going to their high school dance? Do you remember?
I know this Model A. This Model A belongs to Don and Orpha. Don and Orpha Palmer. He's had this Model A for like 40 years. This sucker's got a 400 Pontiac in it. It's a cool car. That's their Grand Dam right there too. Pretty nice.
Hey, there's.
Nice little bike.
Thank you. There's
Cool.
How you doing? Good. Hey, Ron.
Very nice.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I can lower this one too. Watch this.
Yeah, you sit on it. What year is this?
68.
I had a 69 was my first one.
I was hoping that he would, but no, and God darn it, we got home so late last night, and I figured he was either probably out to dinner.
Cold and wet, and I had suede shoes, so today I wore old leather ones.
Yeah.
Pace car. 64 and a half. It's got a 260 in it. That means it's a 64 and a half. 260. $340. I don't see a lot of those. That thing's wicked. Wicked badass. Springs removed. blue on white. Blue on white with green. Ooh, I see a cheater button. Mm-hmm. Sweet 5 window. Oh, standard. That's nice. That's real nice. Real damn nice.
I cleaned it. I can touch it.
The Gia.
Remember that when you get home tonight when she tells you the same thing.
Nice. Multi. $292. It's a Y block. Maybe a 312. The 20 sale, yeah, it's a 312 Y block. It's a damn nice Charger.
I feel like Dad would be down by the older cars.
Ooh, got a 4-speed in this. This is nice. I like this. I really like it. A lot of cars here today. There's supposed to be 700 cars here today. 700. This is a small town. That is nice. Super nice.